So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Akahilz Tube. This tutorial video is basically for our Binance link, referral link, the one we usually put in our description box. So I'm going to be showing the step-by-step process how to utilize it. I got to find out that the link was had issues, and people clicking on the link were unable to access the Binance portal. So we lost a lot, made a lot of losses on these. So guys, this is how it works. So apparently, if you want to sign up on Binance, what you need to note is that on our link there's a code. There's an, I think it's an 8-digit code. Is it QUE8G4UZ? That's our referral link. So this link gives you 5% bonus. So I just clicked on the link now. This link gives you bonus on your registration with Binance. So I just clicked on the link now, and it's going to take us to my browser, as you can see on my screen here. So it's currently loading. The previous links they were not working on, so maybe I'll have to change it. So you can see here now we are directly on Binance here. There's the Binance portal dashboard. You create an account, so you just wait for it to finish loading. Once it finishes loading, all you need to do is put in your email address and your password. Simple as that. Now the reason why now it says your commission kickback rate is 5%. So meaning that whatever transaction you're going to make, you are getting at least 5% kickback rate. That's it. That's what you're getting. So it's a bonus. But if you just go over to Binance, you just sign up on Binance, you lose out on this particular commission. So you're going to lose out on this particular commission. That's why we usually prefer, or we usually recommend, that if you're signing up on some certain platforms, if you have access to a referral link, it's good you utilize them, because they come at no extra cost to you, but instead they tend to give you what do you call it? They tend to give you a discount or the best experience. They tend to make improve. They just give you value for the service. But normally, if you just go over to Binance, you surely lose out of this particular commission. So guys, all you need to do is just put in your email address, and that's it. You are good to go. So signing up on Binance, Remitano, whatever platforms, is good to go. So don't feel free to drop your comment section your questions in comment section box, and we'll also be dropping links to other great platforms where you can get freebies, good things. Because the thing on Binance is that Binance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. You can get so many benefits from there. And currently, as of the time of recording this video, they are giving a cashback. So when you buy $50, you're going to have a cashback of about $5. So you're getting $5 per every 50 per the $50 that you bought on their platform. So guys, this is just your update. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, just showing you more light on how to use referral links and the benefits and what you'll be missing out on, and how to use our links. So an update on the feedbacks we've been getting so far, that the links are not directing our viewers to where they ought to be. So guys, peace out. One love. You should buy keys. Stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if it's your first time. One love.